Well, the upcoming electronic city in Assam's Jagiroad, which will host India's first semiconductor plant, will be named after industrialist and philanthropist Ratan Tata. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has announced today. Now, this decision taken during a cabinet meeting is to honor Mr. Tata, who died on the 9th of October last year. This is what the Chief Minister said. According to Assam Chief Minister, Mr. Tata's decision to set up the semiconductor plant in Assam has been a game changer for the industry and for the state.
If Tata would not have taken this bold decision to set up a semiconductor OSAT facility in Assam, probably this would not have been, we would not have seen so much response from the industrialists of the other industrialists of the country. So, as a grateful state, we have decided to name our electronic city in Jagiroad as Ratan Tata Electronic City, Jagiroad.